As you can see, on this episode of A Closer Walk, we've had a little change of location. Gone for now is the backpack and the trekking poles and even the hiking shoes. As a matter of fact, I'm going barefoot for this one. There'll be no climbing any steep hills, and if I want high elevation, well, I'll just have to take the elevator for that. And furthermore, while filming this video, there is zero chance of me getting attacked by a bear. On this episode, I want to talk about something that never gets old, our redemption. I know a lot of people go to the beach for a lot of different reasons, but one of them is just simply for treasure hunting. And now I'm not talking about particularly looking for lost coins and jewelry, but people just like to collect things. Some get up really early, some endure the heat of the day, and some even by night with a flashlight. But countless people are walking up and down the beach collecting seashells and shark's teeth, myself included. And like most everybody else, I'm particular about my finds. I'm not looking for any broken ones or any fragments, and I don't really want the common ones either. I'm looking for something that's a little more rare and a little bit more hard to find. So what gets left? All the broken shells that nobody wants. I'm glad my God doesn't see us that way, because if He did, that would be me laying there broken and unwanted. When God sought me, was I clean? No. Was I holy? Hardly. I was a wretch, broken and unworthy, just like this seashell. This was me, just a useless nothing. But God reached down His hand anyway, and I took it. Now when God sees me, He sees the blood of His Son, the Lord Jesus Christ. He sees this. I have become a precious treasure to Him. Hey, it beats me, and I'll never fully understand it. But that's the love of God, and that's my redemption story. can hear the ocean in that.